Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what kind of Xbox headset you own and why that matters. USB 3, 5mm analog or proprietary wireless. Plug in the headset into a Ps5 DualSense 3, 5mm jack if available. This is the fastest path. If you have a USB headset, prepare a USB adapter or hub for the Ps5 front ports. Once done, make sure firmware is current on the headset hardware, so compatibility issues are minimized before moving on. Now connect based on your type. For 3, 5mm, plug into the DualSense and go to Settings, Sound Microphone and select Controller. For USB headsets, insert into a Ps5 USB port and pick USB headset as input and output. If you rely on an Xbox wireless dongle, try a USB adapter or Bluetooth pass-through. Note why this can fail: the dongle pairs to Xbox profiles. Once configured, test chat and game audio levels and adjust the Ps5 volume and mic. Finish by running a voice chat or party test to verify both game and mic audio. This confirms routing and side tone. If you hear no sound, toggle the Ps5 input/output settings, restart the console, and reseat all connectors. This often resolves handshake issues. If the microphone still fails, swap cables or try another USB adapter and update headset firmware. These steps address the most common incompatibilities, so you can get back to gaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.